Hey everyone, out here with my Yamaha XT250 dual sport 2018. This is probably one of my favorite motorcycles just because of the versatility. I got into off-roading a little bit later, but it is so fun. And the best part about it is, you know, I don't do motocrossing, it's just trail riding and mountain trails like this. And it is a blast. You know, when you go down, it's usually no more than 5 to 10 miles an hour, and it's just a tip over. These things are built to take it, and you don't have to replace any plastics. That'll cost you a couple $100. You know, downside is they're not as fast, aerodynamic, just like today. It's a pretty windy day, and it was pretty scary getting out here. And I'm actually not going to go up on the mountain like that little trail you see right there, just because of how windy it is. So as you can see, also I strapped my Remo Hobby Frankenstein to the back to do some dirt bashing. I did lose my rear clips on the way out here, so hopefully I can make it stay on. But I wanted to get some ride video on this XT for you guys, and let me give you an idea of my mods. So no performance mods at this time, but I would start from the essentials of if you're going to take these off-roading. Make sure you get these hand guards. I think they also call them bark busters. One of the best things you can do. Yeah, you can see my helmet's about to fly off. I have these fold-up mirrors here, so when I go on the trail, when you ride street, you do need mirrors by law. So I do have both of them. One flips down, the other one flips up, and I just tuck them away. But essentials, so going back to it, the hand guards. One of the best things you could do is getting a skid plate. You'll notice a lot of rocks do ping up and smack, and they can definitely crack your engine case. So this is the one I went with. I love this thing. This is more like a trial style. I know it doesn't wrap up the side of the case of the engine, but I don't do anything hard enduro. So you can see it's a pretty thick plate, but man, this thing could take it. Here's a bottom shot of it, and I did get it in black. I love this desert sand paint scheme of this year. Another thing I added was this exhaust protector. You can see I have some scratches already putting it to use. I have both sides, but I only wanted to put it on one for now, just to protect the exhaust. And you can see I still use the passenger grab bar to secure the other side of the straps I have. Another thing I did was the tail eliminator. You can see it here. This LED strip is my tail turn signal, along with the regular turn signals. In my first crash, I crushed up my plate, and you can see that, but I love it. This thing is super cool, super clean. So that is the main things I've done to this, and it's pretty much all I've needed. I thought about swapping out the pipe, but you know, haven't felt the need to do so yet. Another one is I went with these beefier pegs with the studs for grip. Those are awesome. The factory ones were about half the width of this and did not provide any grip at all. So those are great. But I'm gonna upgrade tires once I burn out these stock ones. I do have some in mind. I'm gonna go with some maybe, I think there's a Kenda out there that's like a 90-10 dirt ratio. These are about 50-50, the Bridgestone W's. They're alright because they work on road, but they're not the greatest on dirt. But I'm not a pro rider, so I can't really complain. But aside from that, I do have a tack. My concert before flight. But yeah, pretty much these are the main mods I have. So I'm gonna get this thing ready. I aired down for the dirt already, so I'm gonna do some riding on this dirt road, try to get some action. Thanks for watching.